Man, I do.
I do want to say this. Look at the set. Do you see any dark hairs?
Well, except for yours, no. I mean, me and Dusty could almost be cloned.
I know.
I dye mine.
Yeah. Good morning, Mayor.
Good morning. It's wisdom.
Yeah, wisdom.
Right.
Yeah.
Experience.
Yeah, that's what it is. Dusty, how you?
I'm doing great, Jamie.
You got that red, white, and blue shirt on for us
Man,
this
yeah,
morning, too. So
Memorial
thanks for
Day
coming.
weekend.
Did you get a haircut?
I got one last night. I get one every 3 months. Well, I needed it.
Every 3 months. I get one about every 3. They asked me yesterday, when's the last time you got a hair? I said, about a year and a half. Mayor, how are you?
I'm doing great.
Y'all did a thing yesterday. Floyd had notified us of it down on the City Honors Fallen Soldiers. We couldn't make it, but he said y'all had decided to throw that together, I guess, at a last moment type deal.
Had a good crowd. It just always needs to be a part of your community. Those young men and women and older that go out there every day and put their life on the line, and you know, you always got to remember that. We had the great-grandchildren of Mr. McLemore that was there yesterday that did the Pledge of Allegiance, and it just is something that we've got to keep as a part of our community. Those, as I said, sometimes they don't know whether they're coming home that afternoon or not.
And Ronnie, you served in Vietnam.
I did.
Dusty, your dad's in World War II.
POW.
Yeah.
World War II.
Yeah, we'll talk more about that in just a second. But Ed, you wanted not to forget something that the burial unit needs.
Well, I thought I'd bring up some of the background on the unit. We're self-supporting, and any time that we need to redress an individual out there that volunteers to join, we have to go out and solicit, either have a chicken stew or raffle or something like that. It's very expensive. It costs about $300 per man to dress them out, and we can't expect them when a man volunteers. Usually they can't afford it. Some do, some can't. And then we solicit out to anybody that wants to drop a little our way, some way or another, and assist us in any way we can. Because we got 18 people right now, and it's really strange because 1 week we did 5 funerals in 1 week. And it puts a strain on the individuals because a lot of them have jobs and families, and it takes about 3 to 5 hours per funeral. From the time you
That's
pick
a lot
your
of time
weapons,
invested.
you pick your weapons up and you meet and you wait on the funeral, and then of course we have some preachers won't shut up. I didn't mean that, Dusty.
Tim Anderson.
He's known Dusty since he was a baby.
Talk about Tim Anderson.
I only talk to Dusty in short form.
All right, Ed. Let me ask you, Ronnie, you are what does the Memorial Day mean, not only being the mayor of Athens, but as a veteran? What does that mean to you?
Well, outside being the mayor of Athens, it's just important. We got some great events going on Monday at the Veterans Museum and several other places, and it's just so important to remember those veterans that are serving now, those that have served. You know, you pretty much don't know where you're going unless you have enough sense to look where you've come from. And if you don't know what's on the line every day to keep your freedom, you need to get involved. And these guys do a tremendous job.
Yes, all of them.
They run. They need volunteers. They need people.
We've got some pictures of some of the stuff they did that Tony brought in this morning that we, I think we showed them earlier too. But there's some of them doing a job there. And Dusty, I know it's got to be something to you because your dad's what, almost 90?
Yeah, he's 88.
And he was a POW in World War II.
He was captured.
Was he a paratrooper?
Yeah, he was in 82nd Airborne. He was the courier reported him missing in action. They thought he was dead. Red Cross told my grandmother that he died. And so, anyway, it means a lot to me too.
Now, was he in D-Day?
Yeah, D-Day, right. He jumped on D-Day.
Yeah, it's hard to believe.
Captured.
That is hard to believe. I noticed Antenna TV at Channel 19's second digital tier this weekend is doing all war movies all weekend long.
Yeah.
Good.
In just a moment, we're going to enjoy the food from HD Grill, and Dusty will lead us in a moment of silence, or prayer, not a moment of silence. Any preacher can't do that. We'll have that before. I want to give a shout out to a competitor of yours.
Hey, I'm Church of Christ. I can handle
Tim Anderson. We ran into Tim and his granddaughter at Lowe's the other day. And, again, we missed Tony Gooch, and Tim did such a great job with him. So, but anyway, Dusty, we'll do that, and then we'll talk to Alan Lisa Coleman in just a moment too. Tony, y'all ready? Yes. Let's go a little local and love this more. We'll hear more from Cleo and Tony Grigsby as we head into Memorial Day weekend. Now remember, I ain't gonna be here next week.
Yes.
Billy, bring all that food in. We're getting hungry. All right, let's go local and lovely. We'll be back in just a moment. Y'all hang on.